Previously, I mentioned that a sales process consists of break ice, presentation, closing. This is the BPC of a sales process. Today, I want to touch about the P, which is the presentation. What makes a good presentation? A good presentation should always consist of BEST, called the best. Once you can master the BEST, you can create a best presentation. So what to make a presentation best? I don't know what product you are selling, I don't know what services you are selling, but then always make sure that your product presentation there is BEST. The first B, we talk about benefit. You should always talk about the benefit of your product, the benefit of your services. A lot of time I realize that a lot of product presentation are focusing too much on the feature already. What do you mean by feature? They sell a curtain, they tell you the cloth how many ply, the cloth made of what. To say the truth, is it that important? Yes, but not very important. The important part is how does this curtain help you? Why this curtain is good? How does this curtain benefit you? This is more important. So always know that the B is benefit. Your product presentation should consist of benefit. The second one we talk about E, called emotions. Do you inject emotion in your presentation or not? In order to inject emotion, you must understand that what your customer want, what kind of problem your product or services solve for the customer. If your product presentation, right, you are able to identify client problem and target towards their emotion, and the emotion we talk about FALL. What is FALL? FALL stands for F, fear, A, authority or responsibility, L, love. The other L we talk about love. These are the emotions that normally people react to. If today I'm selling an insurance product, I target towards people fear of being sick, fear of death. All these things are called the fear injection inside your product presentation. So we talk about A, authority, responsibility. People have responsibility towards their parents, their wife, etc. So if you know how to inject authority, responsibility, yes, go ahead. L, we talk about love, which is also equal to hate. Some people, they hate to be poor, they hate to be fat, etc. So you target on the hate factor. The other L, we talk about love. What does people love? People love their home, people love their business, they love this, they love that. So if your product presentation, you can create the emotion, which is the E, right? It can help you in your product presentation. S, we talk about the services. When we talk about services, right, we talk about what kind of service you can give to the client. Yes, you may be selling a product, but sometimes you can add on your own service to client. Like take for example, I can give you my guarantee. If you need me, I will always be around. This is called your services. The next T I want to share is called testimonial. Always complete your product presentation with testimonial. Testimonial of people who uses your product before, or is there any outcome? So this is the part called testimonial. So in order to do a very good presentation, you must always do it best. B stands for benefit, E stands for emotion, S stands for service, T stands for testimonial. If you are able to put in best in every single product presentation, you can succeed in your sales process. If you like this video, you can like, share and comment. So I see you at the next video.